Not long ago, in January 2024, Elon Musk announced a breakthrough for his project Neuralink, aimed at helping paralyzed patients. The company, which has been developing advanced brain-computer interfaces since its inception in 2016, successfully implanted a chip inside the brain of a patient. This chip enables the patient to control a computer cursor or keyboard using their thoughts alone. Yes, just from thoughts. After testing it on animals like monkeys and ensuring the technology was safe and effective, they finally launched it on humans in January 2024. And guess what? This surgery turned out successful.
I'm obviously the first person with the Neuralink implant.
What else can we expect from Elon Musk, right? Mars is on his checklist already, so these are just basic things for him. And before we could even catch our breath, word on the street is that Musk's gearing up to drop his new project, Bionic Eyes. This Bionic Eye is a technology that can restore sight to the blind and speech to the mute. Even patients suffering from Alzheimer's can retain memories of their loved ones. This groundbreaking technology is known as brain-computer interface, and it's on track to become a reality within the next 2-3 years. But how is this all possible?
Elon Musk's controversial Neuralink is ready to test its brain chip implant on humans.
The tech billionaire Elon Musk is saying his Neuralink company has successfully implanted one of its wireless brain chips in a human for the first time.
Paralyzed man appearing to move a computer cursor with his mind to play chess.
I'd like to introduce you to the first ever user of the Neuralink device.
When we hear the phrase Bionic Eye, we might imagine advanced artificial eyes that replace our natural ones. However, Elon Musk's idea of a bionic eye is more than just a replacement. The more it sounds complicated, the more it is simple, but effective. Musk's plan for bionic eyes is quite simple. He aims to provide completely blind individuals with glasses embedded with recording cameras. When these individuals wear these glasses, they'll initially perceive basic images of their surroundings. These images will be recorded by the cameras and sent to Neuralink's smartphone app. The app will then convert this data into electrical signals and transmit them to the N1 chip implanted in the blind individual's brains. The pins of this chip will be inserted into the optic region of the brain, and when electrical signals are received, the neurons in the optic region will fire in a specific pattern, creating white dots in front of the eyes. Now, if you were imagining that patients would be able to see properly, you might be a bit off track because in most YouTube videos, they show that through these bionic eyes, patients will be able to see properly. But we want to be realistic and not exaggerate. So the truth is that what they will actually see are dots. Now, it might seem insignificant, but imagine a person blind from birth who has never even seen the color black. It will be a huge deal for them to see anything at all for the first time. Over time, as blind individuals are exposed to these dotted images, a reference point will develop in their brains, allowing for more detailed images to be perceived. If this solution proves successful, it could pave the way for addressing other disabilities using similar technology. Thanks to advancements in brain-computer interface technology, scientists have gained a better understanding of the brain. 2 years ago, people on Reddit were wondering how soon we might have artificial retinas or bionic eyes. One user thought it could take about 8 years to see big advancements. Another user joked that if Elon Musk was working on it, we could be very close to a breakthrough. It's interesting to look back and see what people thought back then and compare it to where we are now. But wait for a second, because Elon Musk isn't the only player in the race for innovative technology. There are other companies too. For example, Synchron is right there alongside Neuralink. Synchron has also developed innovative technology, such as the stent rod, which eliminates the need for invasive brain surgery. This advancement makes Synchron's technology more accessible and increases its likelihood of widespread adoption. And that's why this technology could become a commercial success. Moreover, the patients using this technology could achieve a variety of tasks. For instance, they have demonstrated the ability to make video calls on WhatsApp and even send tweets on X, all just by using their thoughts. Due to this, many people believed that this technology is better than Neuralink. But how could Elon Musk disappoint his fans? To overcome this situation, 29-year-old Noland Arbaugh, the first patient to receive the Neuralink brain chip, tweeted on X on March 22, 2024. He jokingly said in the tweet, Twitter banned me because they thought I was a bot, and at X and at Elon Musk reinstated me because I am. Not just that, but Elon Musk even emphasized his milestone by specifically mentioning how he made the first ever post just by thinking, using the Neuralink telepathy device. With AI and technology, possibilities are endless. A recent news that are making waves is that some group of scientists have even created an artificial brain in the lab, capable of distinguishing between 240 variations of 8 different male voices. It's important to note that AI isn't yet that advanced, but if it achieves AGI, there will be a boom in everything, including these devices. But here the question is making all these brain chips safe? When an interviewer asked Elon Musk about the safety and objectives of Neuralink, he explained in detail how each device intended for human use would go through rigorous testing and need to meet FDA approvals. He emphasized that they're not just meeting the necessary safety standards, but are actually going beyond them. Initially, these brain implants will be relatively simple, designed to help people regain essential functions. For example, aiding those who are quadriplegic or have suffered complete vision loss. Elon elaborated on the potential future applications of the implants, such as improving communication abilities for individuals with conditions similar to Stephen Hawking, and possibly restoring vision by directly stimulating the visual cortex in cases where the optic nerve is damaged. However, what concerns me is the future of this technology. What if these chips are implanted in individuals other than patients? What will be the outcome? And most importantly, what are the possibilities of this? Well, what are your thoughts on this? If you ever get the chance, would you try Neuralink or not? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and check out the video on your screen of Elon Musk's shocking new 2024 predictions about AI before it's too late.